This day, in history, December 5th, 1933, Prohibition ends in America. The 21st Amendment was ratified, repealing the 18th Amendment and ending Prohibition. Alcohol became legal again, leading to a wave of celebrations and a boost to the economy. Prohibition had lasted for nearly 14 years, leaving a lasting impact on American society. 1955. The Montgomery bus boycott begins. Sparked by Rosa Parks' arrest, the African-American community in Montgomery, Alabama, boycotted public buses. Organized by Martin Luther King Jr. and other leaders, the boycott was a pivotal moment in the civil rights movement. The boycott lasted for over a year, leading to a Supreme Court ruling that segregation on public buses was unconstitutional. 1901. Walt Disney is born. The famous animator and entertainment entrepreneur was born in Chicago, Illinois. Walt Disney would go on to revolutionize animation and create iconic characters like Mickey Mouse. His legacy continues with the Walt Disney Company becoming a global media empire. 1969. The Rolling Stones at Altamont Free Concert. A free concert held at Altamont Speedway in California ended tragically. The concert became notorious for violence and the death of a fan during the Rolling Stones performance. The Altamont tragedy marked the end of the idealistic 1960s counterculture era. 1974. The Birmingham Pub Bombings. 2 pubs were bombed by the IRA in Birmingham, England, resulting in 21 deaths and numerous injuries. This tragic event was one of the deadliest attacks during the Troubles. The wrongful conviction of 6 men for the bombings was later overturned, highlighting significant legal and investigative failures. Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history, subscribe, like, and share.